I go to the gym. I go to the gym. I see a big room. I see a big room. I see equipment. I see equipment. I see weights. I see weights. I pick up dumbbells. I pick up dumbbells. I lift them. I lift them. I see a treadmill. I see a treadmill. I run on it. I run on it. I see a stationary bike. I see a stationary bike. I pedal on it. I pedal on it. I feel my heart racing. I feel my heart racing. I see a water fountain. I see a water fountain. I take a sip of water. I take a sip of water. I see other people. I see other people. They exercise too. They exercise too. I see a trainer. I see a trainer. I ask for help. I ask for help. I learn new exercises. I learn new exercises. I use the machines. I use the machines. I work on my muscles. I work on my muscles. I break a sweat. I break a sweat. I feel strong. I feel strong. I finish my workout. I finish my workout. I am tired. I am tired. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I leave the gym. I leave the gym. Exercising at the gym is healthy. Exercising at the gym is healthy. I like it. I like it.